Presenting the 2007 Dodge Durango. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include roof rails, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find third-row seats, steering wheel controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags, cruise control, child restraint seats, power outlets, air conditioning, power door locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."